What's up guys, welcome to my 5th video, and this time I'm in Tauranga, New Zealand. So this video is all about a mount and a beautiful beach. So before we go ahead, please help to subscribe my channel, like my contents. That will help me big time to post future videos, and even that will motivate me heaps. Alright people, in this video what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna climb the beautiful mountain all the way to the peak. It won't be an easy one, but I'm gonna take that challenge because it's really worth to take it. Because when you go up there, the view you can see is amazing and epic. So what I'm gonna show you is that view in the end. So talking about this mountain, this is an extinct volcano, and the hike will be like 3 kilometers up, and it will take nearly 1 hour to climb all the way to the peak. So I'm gonna try that for the first time and show you guys a beautiful epic view in the end. So please stay with me until the end. The last part will be the best part of this video. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Mission accomplished. So I'm now on the peak of Mount Manganui. After 45 minutes climb, I finally reached my destination. This is beautiful, this is amazing, and this is the best. So guys, and also you have reached the very last moment, very last part of my video. So hope you'll enjoy. So remember, this is the best part, which is the last part. Enjoy this moment with me.